It's so long since we've been deep in the woods with the fat lad. We need to step away from the screens, go pack a bag, whip up some lunch. You need a break from the wife's flatulence. You've been too long inside your about.
What up, mongrels? We have packed up Isla. We have left the kids and we are escaping this island for 3 or 4 days and going to Wales. I think she's absolutely loaded. Looking forward to it, bub? You eating? What happened there? That never happens.
You always do it, but I'm eating.
Are you looking forward to our little trip to Wales?
Mm.
Nom 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 nom. Just waiting for the boat coming in. That away, then we're going to jump on. Hopefully find some A roads, because she isn't the fastest thing in the world. Neither's the bus.
If only she knew. Excuse me.
Don't be like that. So yeah, you see what you see. You don't. You don't. Stop following me, you freak.
Okay. I'm not an animal. You can't flick me off.
We have got whole 3 or 4 days without the boys. How many boinks are we getting? That's one of the positions, yep.
Don't smut the video out. It's a nice few days away. Let's not ruin it.
Boink, 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 boink.
Just let us out and let us dream and go wherever we want with extra cream, all the way to the top. And you know we won't stop, as the penny drop. You gotta step away from the screens. Solo camera under
Nice breeze.
The amount of money it costs to cross that little bit of water. Even I could possibly swim it. I can't swim.
Maybe that's a good thing.
Sometimes you bring Bramblehead. If you're lucky, you might get some poontang. It's more likely with Johnny. We've seen the way you look at him and the fear in his eyes as he zips up the tent again. Just let us out and let us dream and go wherever we
I do love Isla, but what I would give now for a bit of air conditioning, eh?
Got windows.
Are you hot?
I'm cooler now than what I was earlier, stuck in traffic.
Sweating like a mofo. Lovely ride out though, isn't it?
Oh, bonfire.
Oh, bonfire. You're not very talkative, are you?
Hey, I'm very talkative.
Go on then, talk.
Lovely scenery. Back roads.
Yeah, sweaty.
That's nice.
Right. On the motorway, and it is hot, hot, hot. Loads of cars broken down at the side. We're stuck behind a Vespa, but we are eating miles. She's not the quickest, but she's getting us there.
Enjoyable ride, but fun to eat.
And the motorway. The old country roads were nice.
Yeah, they were lovely.
In the next half hour or so, we're probably going to pull over, let the dog have a walk, give him a drink of water, and maybe get a bite to eat, because someone packed all our food in the fridge and then blocked it in with ebikes. I blocked it in with ebikes, but she put it in the fridge.
You've had a pasty and cookies already.
I think someone had the cookies.
You ate my half. You had more than me.
I had the crumbs that you left in the bag.
Oh, whatever.
Nom 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 nom. 45 minutes in the traffic jam. Hopefully that is the end of it, because I'm melting. Nothing to say?
Oh, fuck off. It's too fucking and hot.
You're all sticky like.
I'm very. I love the seats. They're really comfortable. For so far, we've been in this for what, 3 hours, 2.5, 3 hours. Yeah. The only thing is that sticky leather.
Coming off it.
West on it.
All the way
Yes.
to the top, and you know we won't stop as the penny drop. You gotta step away from the screens. Step away from the screens. Some say heavy, some say he only got extra layers so he don't feel the cold. Some say he got...
Well, a 4.5 hour drive turned into a 7.5 hour drive. My knees are wrecking, but we've pulled up. Got to get the bikes and that out in a minute. Jack's going to pretend to do it now, but in reality it will be me. But have a look at the view we've got. That is magnificent. We lucked out. Jackie's cousin owns a farm, and they'll let us use a field, and we've got it completely and utterly to ourselves for midnight manoeuvres and stuff. Are you happy, Jack? You can't wait 2 minutes for me to do a bit the camera out before you start cocking about, can you?
I'm hungry.
Right, I'll get the bikes out then.
Hangry.
You're always hangry.
Hangry.
Isla sustained some damage from the e-bikes. I think Jack's going to kick me in the hoop. Oh, what a mess. What a mess. I'm bleeding starving as well. She's happy though, look. Pop dog! Come in! Good boy. Good boy. Get in. Cheap and cheerful chairs. My beautiful lady wife is just putting some pasties in the air fryer because we didn't have them for lunch. We'll have the liver and bacon tomorrow. E-bike's ready. Look at this. I'm a little bit ashamed, but she's even got a dog case for the back so you can sit in and go for a little ride. Descended from wolves. They're descended from wolves.
Mine isn't.
Oh, look what you've done to that drawer.
What do you mean?
You scuffed it all up.
No, it wasn't me. That was your bikes.
You're feeding the dog before you're feeding me.
Yep. Priorities.
Why I order. Weird.
I have.
It ain't a la carte, but it's a pulled pork bleeding slice. Not a bad little setup, is it? No, not bad at all.
Turn it around. You're eating for a change, not me. I'm drinking.
Milkshake.
Wait, sit.
Yes, he looks really comfy. You're right in there, dog. Hey. Oh, you off here? You're going to push it to the gate.
No.
How is it?
Good. I think it's this one. Yeah,
Go on, get in.
it's this one.
I'm trying to break one-handed. About time for bed. A really short one today. Just seen family and drove up here for most of it.
Yes.
Isn't that right, my love?
It was very pleasant.
Bleeding horrible, sweaty drive. Anyway, there's meant to be a meteor shower tonight. It's absolutely glorious outside, so I've got the time lapses set up.
Yep.
Fingers crossed they work. And we haven't had to put any blinds up on our windows, so we can actually look at it if it happens.
We've got no neighbours.
Got no neighbours.
No neighbours.
Whatever you do, don't pause that time lapse because her arse was sticking up near for a considerable amount of time.
Was it?
Oh, I'm guessing. How do I know? I was setting up a time lapse. Anyhow, see you in the morning.
Good night.
Good night.
What I've kept with me and what I've thrown away. Where the hell I've ended up on this glary random day. The things I really cared about left along the way. I'm feeling too penned up and proud.
Morning. It's just early enough to be light-ish, and my wife has decided that she's awake, therefore I'm awake. As soon as she pulls her pants up so her arse ain't hanging out, I'll turn you around and say, hello. Oi.
Morning. I put layers on this morning. It's a bit coldy.
She's going horse riding. I am not.
I'm making coffee.
I'll make you coffee. Now shut up and go get my night lapse.
I'm gonna get it. I'm just gonna get the.
Don't get me angry.
I'm gonna get layers on because it looks to be gorgeous.
You're just gonna have to take them off when you do a donkey wee, aren't you?
Well, I don't need a donkey wheel because I had one last night.
Oh, always going to start an argument first thing in the morning.
I don't know what time it was, but it was quite early.
Well, I'm going to kill you, shut up. Oh.
I'm glad I bought this.
Shut up.
Shut up. You shut up.
She has made me get up. She has made me
I haven't made you do anything. Stop
make
talking
the
out of
brew.
your arse.
She made me put the bed away.
I was walking the
And
dog.
now she's just making me mad.
It's fucking raining. It's fucking Wales. It's raining.
Great weather report from the curly-haired beep.
Yeah, how? Yeah, it's pretty curly.
Use England, do you? Humpty. Oh, yeah. Now she's chucking coffee down my leg. Nice, fresh out of pot coffee.
It's not hot though. Such a girl. You're fine. You're fine.
They're my only pair of pants.
You got a load of pants.
I know I've got pants. Yeah, it is raining. I'm going to roll her off that chair and, you know, they're good chairs, haven't they?
I've got sheepskin.
Cheap.
Yeah. Yeah. It's alright. Temporary.
I'm not even going to attempt to try and please her. I might go pull that bed back out and roll around for a bit.
You can do that when I go horsey riding.
Are you taking the camera horse riding?
No. No.
I see, you get into the spirit of being a tuber. Well, she's up and left me. Quick cycle, go dip me plums, have a wash, so I don't smell like I'm currently smelling after that journey yesterday. Everyone's a winner. She's off riding later, so I'll probably just lay in the van, have a little kip, because I'm worth it. She's loving that bike. She might have to keep that one. Anyhow, I'm waffling shite. There's not a great deal to do here, and it's meant to hoy it down, so it's going to be a very do-nothing day today.
Woke up way too late, feeling hungover and home. The sun was shining bright as I walked barefoot down the road. Started thinking about my old man. It seems that all men want to get into a car and go. Anywhere, here I stand, sad and free.
Have to be quicker than that.
A flapjack with a banana chaser?
Yeah.
Yeah, what else you going to stick in that? Why don't you smidge the banana into the flapjack? You chuffing
Why
hogger.
bother when it's all going to go in the same hole?
I've been known to go in a different hole.
Oh my.
Yes, Lee, come to sunny Wales, she says. It'd be great, Lee. It's all sunny Wales, is. Lovely sunny Wales.
I never ever said it was going to be sunny, and I'm sure I did tell you it was going to rain some of the time. Because of Wales, isn't it? So,
I love rain on a tarp anyway.
not too bad, is it? Only drizzle.
We're going exploring later.
We are.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, when it's sunny. Bit sunny.
I'm going to need to pump the water off top that tarp in a minute.
Okay.
So I may have forgot to fill up the water pot before we left. But you've always got to improvise, adapt and overcome. Come on, give us a big bit. There it is. So what did you do this holiday, Lee? I collected rainwater while my wife slept.
I'm sleeping, laying down.
Right, just so everyone that's
But-
watching this, I've got a greasy screen, her face isn't that fuzzy.
But it is fucking raining.
A lot. Enjoy your horse ride. I'm going to pull that bed out and go to Kip.
Fine.
Oh.
That was a good one. You're missing all the giblets.
What are you crying for? Don't cry, just eat. We can see the things there. We know you're eating them. Just eat them. No one's under the illusion you're not a bleeding hog. A very slim hog. I don't start crying. Go on, snort. No, like a proper hog.
No, you're making me cry.
Oh no! Are you still hungry?
What?
How are your noodles?
Oh, nice.
Oh, Jack's out horse riding. Just me and the dog here, so I had a couple of rum and cokes, watched a movie, and now I might have a little doze. Make up on the time that she nicked off me this morning. Oh, I ain't stopped hammering down. Definitely go and explore it tomorrow. It's been a washout of a day. She's got to be peeing wet through when she gets back from horse riding. Oh, still chilled. Lovely spot. Hope I can get out in this field. We could be getting bogged in. Oops. Wakey time again. Oh, right. Just took the dog for a walk. It's still hammering down on pee wet through. I had a phone call from my beautiful wife. She's on her way back, absolutely soaked. She's going to stop off her sister's up the road to have a shower and dry and warm herself. She's going to come home and she's going to find out that her lovely hubby has started dinner. And you've guessed it, no kids means liver and onion. Oh, what a washout of a day. Enjoyed it though. I actually went to go back to bed. You enjoyed it, Pooch? You can't see him. Blacker than a night in Poland. Wifey has returned from a couple of hours horse riding.
Ugh.
How was it?
Yeah, wet.
Yeah?
Wet and cold.
Makes you do sea lion impressions, doesn't it? I can't believe I just missed you shoving that sweet in your mouth.
That's it.
Dog's wet and all because I walked him in the rain. Yeah, I've been looking after the house.
The house.
I didn't go to sleep, I promise.
Did you have a nice siesta?
Yeah.
Nice.
What are you looking? You've given all those tongue motions as if you'd come back from a 1990s rave. What is going on?
It was good. Gurn. Do you reckon we get out of here?
Depends how loaded down I am.
With
dinner.
it's popcorn. Popcorn's not filling, is it?
Dinner. I've slaved all day over a not very hot stove.
Thank you.
And what thanks do I get? You coming in here?
Keep that on.
I'm going to put it back on in a minute. What's your food like? I'll try not to do that so aggressive. Hang on. Why, darling, how scrumptious is your dinner?
It's fabulous. Just what you need on a cold, damp, wet day. Hot nosh.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more.
Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
You're making a meal out of that.
I'm trying not to.
Good. She's quiet, therefore it's good. Last night, it did not stop hammering down, so we had a quick lay down, and we both went to sleep. And now we're woken up and it's tomorrow. Good. It looks like a gorgeous day out there. So we're going to go do a bit of exploring. Obviously after a coffee and a bite to eat. Yeah, it should be good, yeah. Because so far, there has been 0 things to put in this video. 0. What a difference a day makes. Oh, look at it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Fresh cup of coffee in hand. My beautiful wife made me. Slept for days. How are you, Curly?
Tired.
I don't know how she's tired. She's just had 12 hours kip. And her hair is basically a double pillow.
It is.
Yeah. She don't want to be in shot at the minute because she has the curliest of curly hair. It's all matted. She looks like the RSPCA should pick her up. So yeah, gonna drink me coffee, we're gonna have a little tidy up. Gonna get scrubbed down on the bikes, go for a bit of an explore. Find something to eat somewhere. Because we've got bacon grill and stuff, but we ain't got no bread. Because she only done half a job.
You can have a bowl full of bacon, grill and sausage and beans.
Oh, I've got sausage and beans as well. What a tramp.
I can go steal their bread anyway.
What was that?
Go and steal their bread.
Whose bread?
In-laws. In-laws? No, they're not in-laws.
They're my in-laws, they're not your
Yeah,
in-laws.
your in-laws, not mine. And don't put me in camera, because...
Don't put her in camera. So me and the lovely wife and dog are off exploring.
Yeah, can't wait.
Hopefully, I got some stuff planned that she'd hate. What a lovely little village. It wouldn't suck to live here, Jack, would it? No, Lee. Didn't think so.
Right, round the corner.
Hang on. I don't know. Let's say yes.
You say yes.
I'll have to take the phone out and have a look.
Well, the sun's shining, that's the main thing. Keep your mouth closed because of the bugs.
Fancy not bringing a phone mount. Oh yeah, we got to turn around.
Got to turn around.
Apparently so.
Can't go up to the left side.
No, go back up.
Back up that way.
Yeah.
You fucking idiot. Ugh.
Yeah, we started off with a a 9-minute
meet
ride,
that
and now we're on
tractor now.
11-minute. Car.
We're going to meet a car.
Nice big road. How you coping with the hills?
Are you alright? You alright?
Oh, it can be better, me. Oh, car.
Car.
Oh, bollocks.
What?
Where's me fucking backpack with all my camera equipment and fucking drones?
You left out of the campsite.
Oh, no.
Oh, you better go up then.
Huh?
You better go back up, hadn't you?
No, balls to it.
Oh. Yeah, but it's got your wallet in, Lee.
Car.
It's got your wallet in.
Well, we'll have to go back up. We're nearly there now, Jack.
All right.
1 minute away.
We can come back down again, can't we?
Yeah. Right, so there is a footpath around here.
Oh, we're here.
Huh?
Are we here?
Yes. Ooh.
Do you reckon it's all right to let a dog out?
Sorry?
Dog out?
You don't want to let a dog out, yeah? Wish I bought the hammocks.
Come on. Good boy. Go on then. Go on then. Good boy. Bit tight, isn't it?
Bit pretty, isn't it?
Ugh. Fucking brambles.
So we ditched the bikes. We're going on foot. Hopefully no one will nick the bikes, because it's all uphill back home. Beautiful in here, Jack, isn't it?
It is stunning.
This would be my perfect location, hammock camping
It would, wouldn't it?
and stuff like that.
Oh, I could have had the van to myself.
Or I could have brought you out in a hammock.
No. No. No.
Didn't need this gilet on. Should have gone full-blown pirate. Look. What a lovely old building.
Go, go. Go on then. Go on then. Go on.
Oh,
Good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, wow.
there's a door here. Wonder if this is the old watermill.
Maybe. I'm guessing.
And it nuts our trees have just made their way through it.
I do love the lichen on the trees.
Sorry, Sugar Plum?
The lichen.
The lichen?
Yeah, look.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Look at it.
Absolutely stunning. Building now.
Not
Another
that
one
brave.
over there, which I'm going to
Oh,
try
yeah.
and make my way to.
You're not that brave.
Jack's
You've
bowled
got
it.
the bubbies all over your face. Oh dears. Oh dears.
That's pretty deep.
You don't want you licking your lips, do it? Get it in your mouth. Yes, I know. Come on, I know you don't like it. They're not
it's all
that
pretty
bad,
deep.
actually.
Nice clean water though.
Good boy. Oh, come here. I want you to see.
What could possibly go wrong here? That's got a wobble on.
Oh, it's so clever. Oh, it's so clever. Yes.
They don't feel the most secure.
Oh, clever boys.
That feels like it's going to snap, but it didn't. Bonus. Right.
Dad's enjoying himself.
What's the best way round to this one?
I won't
Look
go down
at this.
there. You might get a bit wet, Ox.
I know it don't look like much, but someone would have spent
Stunning.
a lifetime in here.
More.
Don't know how much further it goes up.
That was a bit silly, wasn't it? Stay.
But I can hear the waterfall.
Stay.
Oh, that's lovely. Don't know how you get to it.
You stay there. There's a good boy.
Bad news. The good news is I've found a way to this little gem. It couldn't be more beautiful. The bad news, in getting to it, I went for a burton on that rock and landed straight in the bleeding drink. So yeah, I'm not a little bit anything, I'm just plain wet. But what a beautiful spot. I really need to get my wife down here and naked. Pretty brisk, the water. Let's see if I can figure out a better way of coming down here.
Hi, Debbie.
I've already fallen in once, don't really want to fall in again.
Oh, come here, Debbie.
Oh dear.
Right.
What a stunning little spot that is.
Stay
Can
off
I get
the
round that way?
boards. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Probably not.
Easy.
Be better off walking straight up the river. And I should do now that I'm wet. Oh, I can't believe my good lady missed that. I don't know if there's anything further up either. Not that you can get to it.
How'd you get on?
I found the waterfall
Oh, fantastic.
and it's gorgeous,
Yeah.
and I fell in the river.
Oh, no, Lee.
Do you want to cop this?
Yeah.
If you can make it this far. The easiest way to get to that is to walk up the river.
Walk up in the river.
Yeah, I didn't. I
No.
went across the bridge, jumped off, slipped on my arse.
Oh, no. You all right?
Of course I'm all right, I'm here, aren't I?
Well, yeah, I
Just a
know.
bit wet. And by a bit,
Well, it did rain all day yesterday,
it's a lovely waterfall. Do
is it?
you want to see it?
Can we get back through? Because
Because we've been out
I'm
exploring
damp.
for at least 5 minutes.
no, I should have bought my riding boots, to be honest with you, and I didn't. So I didn't know what I was expecting, but I'm loving the moss.
You're loving the moss.
The moss is just fantastic. Right, are you going to get through this, dog? Because I don't know with
We
you.
should be able to. It's a path straight underneath it.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Otto, come on.
Come on. Up.
Come in.
Oh my God.
Gay dog.
He is a complete gay dog. Doesn't do outdoor activities. It's the slippiness I don't like.
Yeah, I'm not too keen on it now.
Yeah.
Despite getting very wet and it being a little bit treacherous, may have to come back here to get my good lady doing the Timotei ad in that waterfall. It'll be too cold for her and she won't be able to get to it, but I'm a persuasive bugger.
You're going to throw me in the general direction.
I wouldn't throw you in the water, darling. I do love exploring.
Well, can't ask for better scenery, can you, really?
It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I mean, we're walking on this old road which they would have put in to get to the watermills. Think how old that is. Don't like the look of them kicky horses. Anyway, me and my good lady are going to find a cafe. Oh, they're pulling over for us.
Don't.
I think. That's nice of them. That one's still in kicking range. Thank you. Cheers.
Thank you, ladies.
Watch out for this tractor. What old nipper! You wouldn't think that yesterday this was absolutely hammering
it was horrible,
with rain.
wasn't it?
What a gorgeous little road. Oh no, not a steep hill. No reviews because I've done them all. We have just absolutely, don't know if you can see how high we are. This hill has been a good 15% for at least a mile. It's like nothing. I mean, my good lady is proper unfit.
You're unfit.
And you managed it up the hill. She's unfit. I jokingly said to Jag earlier, pointed to this hill, well, let's get to the top of that because it's massive. And guess where this cafe is we're going to? It's almost like someone planned this. Let's get to the top of the hill, he said. Oh. You've got to bear in mind as well, there is an extra wide saddle. Not too bothered.
Good. Was he still upright or was he laying
Ah,
down?
he's just chilled looking at the, what do you call it?
Portal hole.
Yeah. Look at us easy riders. What's up? We stopped off for a nice bite to eat in a cafe.
Yeah, I know. It's lovely.
It's proper warm, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's a nice sunshine here.
In fact, I might take my boot off and dry my socks out.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh.
Oh, you did get that wet, didn't you?
Well, I fell in a river.
You're
It
a
happens.
plonker.
And how much do I look like a pirate?
Yeah, you did. Another shower for you then.
Why?
Just clean socks, I suppose.
It's clean water.
Clean water. You're right there,
Oh.
Ruts. Good boy. Is it nice? What have you got in between there?
I'll leave the poor fucker alone. You can't help yourself,
I can
can
see
you?
something dangling. I needed to
I think I've got something as well.
alter it.
I think I've got something as well.
No,
Come and have a root around.
no. His is a lot nicer than yours.
That's weird. That's
You know
quite
what I mean?
weird. No, as weird things go, that's proper weird. My dog's nuts are nicer than my husband's.
No, I didn't mean. He hasn't got any nuts, has he?
Well, ain't the point.
His
You
nuts
still
are
said
gone.
it.
But it's just easy to just get any
All right, my dog's
Mats.
coin purse is better than my husband's.
mats gone.
Yeah, so we are in a town that obviously I can't pronounce, and I'm not going to try because I'm going to butcher every single name ever. I mean, look at that one that's going that way. Give it a try, Jack.
Nienda de Frachen.
Where did you get fracken from?
I don't know.
There isn't a single F in there.
Farshanad. Fanashanad.
What are you looking at?
I'm breaking it out.
Oh, you're looking at the church.
Yeah.
Oh, I was talking about the sign with 4 miles on it, second one down.
Oh, well, cardigan I can read. 10B I can read.
Above the parking sign. Go on, give it a go.
No.
Huh?
No. No.
Yeah, I wouldn't even know where to start. Egglewith, God knows. Thank you.
Oh, look at that. Thank you very much.
Just a quick one. How would you pronounce that second name down? The signpost second down.
Elga, whatever it is, number 4.
4 miles
4
that way.
miles.
Oh, Eglisuru.
The what?
Eglisuru.
Egloisuru.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is there any sauce I can get for you?
I'm all right.
okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Eglosuru.
Yeah, don't say that.
Is it not?
God. I'm zooming in on that.
Yeah. You might be interested.
Good bat.
Not bad bat. Not bad for doggies.
He looks happy enough.
Okay.
Oh, she's up to gear. You all right there, dog? Sitting there, chilling. I love you, wife. Do you want me to stay behind so I can keep...
I think he'd be all right. If he jumps out, he's attached, so...
Yeah, but he might get caught in the spokes.
Oh well, I'll soon know about it if he does.
Absolutely beautiful, babes. All right, Barry Sheen. You wait till you see how that dog's sitting when I show you the video.
Oh, okay. Is it bad?
Oh, he's hanging right out.
Fucking twat. How long has it been like that for?
No, I've just noticed him. But it does. So, cushy day really. Went for a little explore, tried into town on the bikes, got a bite to eat. Jack's come back. She's just she's just sitting playing Spider Solitaire, ignoring her husband. She's already necked a rum and coke though. And I think I may join her. And I definitely fell in the river. Well, I'm not sure if you can see the colour of my leg, but it was a little bit brown. Oh, what a little spot. Isla's looking lovely. She's looking lovely.
This is lovely, isn't it?
It's lovely, isn't it?
No soul in sight.
Say it again.
Said no soul in sight.
You saying you've got no soul?
I definitely have. You definitely haven't got a soul.
I'll show you my soul later.
No, thank you. No.
Wife is all excited. We've come to Hythe Dairy Milk, and here they have a vending machine with their own milk that you fill their bottles up with, and you get milkshake. Marvellous.
So we do banana, large. Did you see that's large?
Yes, why not?
Large, £2.
Okay. Stick it up.
No, you have to do it like that, directly
Okay.
under. Start processing card, remove the card. Follow instructions on card reader.
Yes. Remove card I have.
Oops. Press to here to fill.
That looks like jippers. Don't look like banana.
Got 3 days, so that's good.
You're looking forward to this, aren't you?
Oh, this is for the boys.
What?
It's for the boys.
Screw off, I'm drinking
No,
it tonight.
one of us is for us, 2 of them are for the younger. I'm not getting it for the older ones. Finished.
Remove bowl.
I see bouquet.
Cookies and cream. Cookie.
Definitely me.
Well, 'tis our last night. Back to the boys.
Well, I'm not cheering for that bit, but
No.
this last night it's been good.
Apart from the washout and the drive up here. And my burping. But we're going to get a hammock boinking later.
Are we?
You haven't got a say in the matter.
Mhm.
That would come across
Yeah.
a bit aggressive, didn't it?
Ooh.
Shut up and get in the hammock. It may well be the last trip we have in Isla as well.
Oh yeah.
We're thinking about flogging her. Purely to get a bigger van because she wants a bed to be permanently out. So she doesn't have to eat her food in the bed. Because she's constantly eating.
Yes, I do.
In
I
bed,
don't constantly eat, but
in the hammock, on the floor, on the toilet. You do like your toilet snacks, don't you?
toilets.
Yeah. She insists on something chewy. Gives her something to bite on.
Okay. Alright, fair enough.
Cut. Cut. Oh, look, I'm not a real pirate.
Look, stop looking at this and get the view. Look at that.
It is rather nice.
Yeah, that is stunning.
It is rather nice. Everything's on charge over there, look. I don't know what that is down there. Mike, campervan.
Wales. South Wales.
It's been glorious.
Marvellous place. Highly recommend. Come in to stay.
Yes, just try and pick it when it's dry.
Well, there's no guarantees for that, is there?
No, there ain't.
But it's a glorious place.
Awooga!
I was a lottery winner, I'd definitely
By Wales.
not buy Wales. A little bit of Wales.
Okay, a little bit.
A little bit of Wales.
What up? It is tomorrow. Sorry about the abrupt ending for last night, but I got kidnapped and taken to the pub. I was in no fit state to be recording anything when I got back because a certain young lady was snoring her head off with her bum up in the air. Did you have a good evening?
No, I did not. No, it was not. What?
So we got up at Sparrowsfar o'clock this morning, packed everything up because in true Welsh fashion it is peeing down and we're making a run right back home to the Isle of Wight. Just done all the calculations on Isla, we're getting over 40 miles to the gallon, which is good. And yeah.
Let's hope the journey home is not as bad as the journey up.
Yes, hopefully. We left at about 6 in the morning trying to avoid the traffic on the M4, but you can never avoid the traffic on the M4. We were going to go the scenic route and take in some sights.
But it's raining, what's the point?
Yeah, we're going down the M4. So you ain't really going to get to see a lot. Yeah, it's been our holiday. I ain't filmed a lot.
Yeah, it's been nice.
Yeah, I bet I've loved it.
No kids, just us and the dog. Lovely.
I've drunk more this weekend than I have all year.
Yeah.
And I haven't drunk a lot.
Right.
Until next time. Ta-ra!
Bye.